Disclaimer: this is just my current way of coloring digitally and it's not intended to insinuate that my approach is the best way to do it. You may proceed with the video once you understand it.
Yeah, hello. Today, I'll be talking about how to color the eyes. Just like William Shakespeare once said, the eyes are the...
We are tired of hearing this phrase all over again.
It's time to stop!
Can't you be more creative and come up with a new...
The eyes are the window to the soul. That's why it's important, at the very least, not to this up. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a drawing like this. So the first thing is to decide your base color. I'm gonna use emerald green. By the way, Hatsune Miku has the best doujinshi of all time. Don't you agree, my fellow degenerates? Now, pick a darker color for the shading. For me, I use only one dark color for the shading because I'm lazy. Tehe. Normally, most of the pros have at least two colors for their shading, which are light shades color and hard shades color. If you're not a lazy bum like me, feel free to add more shades. Then choose a light color to add a highlight for the eye. Now listen, this is optional, but by doing this, your anime eyes will go to another level. Watch this. Literally, choose a grayish color and color here a little bit. Just a touch. Beautiful. This adds some fun aspects to it, and I think you should try it. Lastly, add the hot light, which is the reflected light from sunlight. And it's done. As for the rest, the style, for example, is the only element I can't teach. Certain styles have huge iris, some with white iris and some with no iris at all. So keep grinding. It took me 1 year to develop my current style. There's no need to rush. Enjoy the process. It's all about trial and error. And that's how I color anime eyes.
Oh, I've got my own style too. Check it out, Senpai.
Wow, since when?
Oh, it was so long ago. Like 10 seconds ago? Anyway, let me show you. It's my signature eye coloring style. Pretty unique, eh?
The step is simple, but what's hard is to develop your own style. Seriously, nothing complicated. One base color, one or two dark colors for shading, one light color for a highlight, and a hard light. So I hope you guys find your own style. The next coloring tutorial video will be about the hair, which is probably the most requested tutorial among all the body parts. So do look forward to it. That's all from me for today's video. Please comment down below what else coloring tutorial you want me to cover and I shall make one. Please drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Twitter. DM me if you want a commission from me. Alright, that's all from me. Ja na, guys.